Hi guys, I a bit cough today. Um, this is my third video, and I want to show you that what is in my phone. This is my new phone. I just bought it last week, so it might be just a little app that I downloaded it. Sorry about that. First, I downloaded the ADV screen recorder that did not have to root to screen record. Then I download the Share It, which you can share your file to another phone. And the Skype. I love to Skype with my friends. Now my phone, my game. I have Clash Royale, Shadowrun, which downloaded in this yellow app here, and the Dead Trigger 2, and Angry Bird Action. The King of Thieves is my favorite too. Oh, I did not download my Clash of Clans. I just realized that I didn't download it. And then I have the camera 360 because my normal camera can't work well, so I have to download it. And I will download the next screen because it will be better when you play it when the light is off. So that's all about my phone. And this app here, Game Store, came with the phone. And I didn't tell you before that I'm using the Lenovo K3 Note. Okay, I really like this phone. If you like this phone, you can just buy it. It's not it's worth it. It's not expensive. So bye guys. Remember to like my video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.